everyone, this is Mandy over at How We Roll Motorsports in Helotes, Texas. Today we're going to be covering a new product. For some of you, y'all might know we used to sell the Linhai Yamaha 400 Workhorse. That was a great machine, cost effective for our customers, very reliable, very durable. But they stopped making those a few years ago, so we have been trying to find a vehicle that compares to that one. And I think we have found it with this particular vehicle right here. This is the Massimo Buck 400. Comes to us from our distributor right up in Dallas, Texas. This is a four-wheel drive vehicle, as you can see by the badging on the side. The nice thing about this vehicle is it actually comes with a few more accessories that the Linhai Yamaha did not come with. For instance, it has the nice steel wheels on it, but it also has the aggressive off-roading tires, which you can see right there. Something else that's really nice about it, it does come with side mirrors, does come with the windshield, roof, and it also comes with a very handy winch, which is located right there. Again, this is a four-wheel drive vehicle. It's actually liquid cooled. It is electronic fuel injected as well. The bed on it does dump. It is a manual dump, but it's very easy. It has front and rear independent suspension, which I'm trying to get down here without making everything blurry. As you can see right there. It also has the rear blinkers and tail lights on it as well. Let's go up to the front. This also has a really nice sized bed. It's very deep, it's very large. I know the beds on a lot of UTVs today are getting smaller, which a lot of people don't like. So it comes with a very nice sized bed, two handles on the side for tie downs. And let's see if we can hop in here without getting too blurry on you guys. This unit comes with all the electronics right here. An easy four-wheel drive to two-wheel drive electronic shift. You've got your hazards, your lights on and off, plus the high and low beam, again with the integrated turn signals and your winch control right here. This is your differential lock right there. Let's see if we can give this a start so you can at least hear what it sounds like, because it's actually a pretty aggressive machine. Let that light up. And we're good to go. As you can see, it also has the park, reverse, neutral, high, and low. Do have the integrated horn right here. Like I said, this is a pretty all-encompassing machine. Very reliable, very durable, and you get all of this for the amazing price of $74.99 plus tax. And again, if you're tax exempt, just bring us the paperwork and we'll remove the taxes from it and you are good to go. Comes with a 1-year warranty on the engine, drivetrain, and bumper to bumper. Covers parts and labor. And as always, How We Roll Motorsports does service everything that we sell. So there's no need to worry about finding parts or finding someone to service it for you if anything ever does go wrong. Or if you want to add accessories to it like a light bar, we can handle all of that for you. One other thing I forgot to mention, towing capacity for this machine is around 12 to 1,400 pounds. So maximum speed's probably going to be around 30. So if you guys have any questions, always feel free to give us a shout at one of our 3 stores, How We Roll Motorsports in Adkins, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, and Helotes, Texas. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great day.